Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hello, hello guys. I'm audible. I hope I'm audible. Just let me know in the chat box, please.
Hi Rishi,
Yeah, hi, Sai. How are you?
all good man. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, hello. Yeah, all right. Can you able to see my chat?
Yeah, I can see it now.
All right. Actually, I'm in buys right now, like around this area. Oh, we had a good fall. All right. So first, I'll share my analysis on gold. Gold currently I'm invited. I'll explain my entries in few minutes, but currently like I'll just analyze the bias first. Okay, so gold, as I already say, gold I'm actually bullish right now, and yeah, okay, fine. So whenever the market is in bullish, I'll consider the swing lows as liquidity points where I can expect reversal. And what happened is, like after a very good move, the market started consolidating. And as you all know, like the previous day opening, I mean previous day highs or lows or previous week highs or lows, these levels plays a major important points where we can expect liquidity. So that's what happened here. The market opened and it broke previous day low, which means like Friday low. So the market took out this low, and also it is balancing the fair value gap. And what is happening, like now it is actually inversing on the opposite side. Now let's go to the lower time frame. So this is the previous day low, and what happened is the market took out this low, and we can able to see a strong like reversal on the opposite side, and also a very good consolidation. Now in 1 hour candle, look at this 1 hour candle, a strong displacement on the high side, which broke this consolidation. So this clearly shows that the market is bullish. Now let's go to the lower time frame, 5 minutes time frame. Now look at this. I haven't seen all these moves, but when I opened the chart, I actually saw this particular move, and I entered around this level. The reason for this trade is like after this very good move on the higher side, we can able to see a good consolidation over here. Okay, and what happened is like the market consolidated for a while, and you can able to see a strong displacement over here, right? And it also broke the previous swings, and the momentum is also good, so that's why I entered around this level. And my target is initially like I just want the market to fill this imbalance. Then if it goes further, I'll be expecting the highs as my target. So this is my analysis on gold, and if you have any doubts, you can just ask in the chat box. This is my entry point. Hi, hello Gaber.
Hi, how
How
are
are you?
you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Great, great, doing good.
Have you checked this trading web? Like it is actually good. L and short.
Well,
Like, look at this symbol L. That's the updated sharing.
Yeah.
But here my stop loss is actually quite huge. But let's see. Symmetry. This I'll mark this particular stop loss. Um, Mark this first target. Let's see. Yeah. And you guys like ready to connect here? If you have any doubts, you can just ask in the chat box. I'll try to answer. Have you taken
You're
any
looking for
trades?
longs or shorts in gold?
Oh, I'm in longs actually.
You haven't took
Entry level, yeah.
longs, I see. I
You're
see.
in sets.
You're in long. You're taking longs right now, right?
Yeah, around this level, like I took by entry.
I see.
So, did you take any trade?
I was short in the morning when the gap down happened after the retracement, and I made profit in that, so I did not touch it because I'm trading currently the 35% eval, where I have to hit the 35% consistency. So I can't make anything more, I can't make anything less. So I made like 4,000. So I just have to sit down.
Oh, you're showing the 35 on the eval.
Yeah, so if you go for the daily payout in Funding Tips, the pro account, you would have to pass the evaluation with a 35% consistency.
I see. I had the on-demand payout with a 35% consistency. It's
No,
also nice.
it is daily payout. So once you pass the evaluation with 35%, you can request it daily. So every day you make like a 1% profit, you can just request it on the same day and you get paid on the same day
Oh, without a consistency rule.
without a consistency on funded. Just the
Oh,
evaluation will have a 35% consistency. It takes time to pass it, but I think it should be fine.
yeah, like, but once you pass it, it's gonna be
Yeah,
awesome.
once you pass it, it is like a brokerage account. You can request whenever you want once you made money.
That's great.
Nasdaq, I'm also bullish in Nasdaq, but we do have very good bullish move for the past few days. So I'm expecting the market to fill these gaps, but I'm not expecting the market to go any way further on the higher side. I'm expecting a small correction on the downside.
Yeah, exactly. Correction.
Uh,
Same. Yeah, I'll definitely wait for a correction. Just go
yeah,
with
it's
the
been
trend.
bullish for like few days, right? So again, expecting bullish move is not that good, and even the market is currently consolidating on the highs. So I'm expecting a good correction on the downside. So if I want to trade Nasdaq, like I'll be looking for shorts, not longs. As of now, like no long entries for me. Even though if the market goes higher, I'll wait for some kind of reversal to happen. Then I'll plan sells. I don't want to risk on the higher side.
Yeah,
This is my bias in Nasdaq.
but if like at 9:30, if I did a manipulation to the downside, will be a great long.
Yeah. Yeah, the trade is actually going good.
Yeah,
Let's see
I,
if the market pushes. No, like I'll be expecting these caps as my target. Initially, I want the market to fill these levels. Then, if it breaks, I'll expect the market to hit this level. But still, like it's a 5 minutes candle, so we can't expect like straight up close candles continuously. What does this up wants to?
I think it
Oh,
should go for the gap fill actually, currently
okay.
at least.
Okay, now it is actually moving. $140 up. Let's see. Okay. If you have any doubts, please just let us know in the chat box. We'll try to answer your trading questions. Fall, like I'm actually in buys in gold, like around this level. I just took entries in 5 minutes time frame. But I would say this is kind of late entry. But when I saw like this move was actually happening, so that's why I entered. But it's kind of late entry. But let's see. All right. Come on, guys. Like, what do you have? If you don't have any doubts, just let us know. Make use of this live stream. Okay, this is a good push. If I keep this as my target, I think my RR will be low. Let's see.
Personally, I would want it to like come back, retest something, and then go.
The
But
reason I entered is like the market displaced after a very long consolidation. So the accumulation is actually good, but if it comes down, that's fine.
साई भाई गोल्ड में क्या लग रहा है? गोल्ड में मुझे लग रहा है अभी आई थिंक एशिया का हाई निकलेगा, एशिया के हाई निकलने के बाद थोड़ा बहुत रिट्रेस करेगा, रिट्रेस करने के बाद आई थिंक एनवाईओ ओपन लेवल जो मिडनाइट का ओपन है वहां तक रिटेस्ट करेगा एंड वहां से हम लोग बाई उठा सकते हैं अगर उठाना है तो।
This candle is actually quite concerning for me. Let's Let's see. So how many languages do you speak?
Uh, Probably 4 to 5.
What are they?
Telugu I can speak, Hindi, English, a bit of Tamil is something which I can speak because I've stayed in Chennai for like very long,
Okay.
and sometimes I understand Marathi, but yeah, don't I can't speak much, but yeah, I can understand.
When you learn Hindi?
Hindi, I think school, mostly in school, and we are from Hyderabad, so our Hindi is like Urdu mix. So we talk like how miya, kaise chal raha hai. That kind of slang you will never see it in anywhere in the northern part of India, like Delhi and all.
Okay.
Delhi is different again. Delhi language is like it's all abusive language. Matlab, with every sentence there'll be some kind of bad word beep and some kind of bad word starting. But if you consider any other northern cities, like if you go towards like maybe Jaipur, Agra, so they speak with again a lot of respect. Ki, हाँ जी कैसा है मतलब का पापा जी क्या कर रहे हो वैसा मतलब it is all different slangs and different interpretations was.
Chennai, like where you stay?
I stayed in Ambattur. I stayed for like four. I have a flat in Ambattur as well. I got a gated community.
Okay, okay.
I have a flat in Chennai. I was forced to learn Tamil. Matlab, you go.
You
Uh,
worked here.
yeah, I worked there, so I was kind of literally forced because you speak with anyone like any auto wala and everything purile is what he'll said. So I have to speak Anna. Sarvana story இருக்குல்ல அந்த
Uh,
பக்கத்து அந்த பக்கத்து கல்லி தான் அண்ணா. broken Tamil. Yeah. The hardest part was buying the house in Chennai because no one in the registration department talks anything apart from Tamil. You can't even speak anything in English, Hindi. So when you're buying a house, you need like a translator itself to manage everything. But yeah, the developer took care. But yeah.
have you sold it or still you're having flat here?
No, I have it. It's rented out. I have it.
Ah, okay. During my colleges, like I used to stay during COVID period in Ambattur. Not Ambattur, like
Mm.
Tirumaloy, like nearby.
Mm. Yeah. I used to roam a lot. Ambattur, Ananagar. Ananagar is our posh place. If you have to go to some kind of good restaurant.
Uh,
Nice. Okay, does it come back or does it just want to push?
Momentum is actually good, but let's wait.
Maybe it will fill the gap and reverse.
Yeah, I'm just going to book some positions around this level, and remaining I'm going to trail it. I've only ended with 0.3. I just now woke up, Anand bro. Okay, that's coming down. No
Hey,
voice.
Anandha. How are you? I think you have his mic on. He
Sorry?
said. I was talking to Anandha. How are you? I don't think
He's
you hear me.
I think he's currently in trance. He'll be scolding me and like thinking something inside, but he's currently in trance. I don't know which trance he is in.
Who?
Yeah.
Anand.
Is he in France?
No, trance.
Uh,
Different trance.
I think he just now woke up.
He left.
We're going to retrace. The 5 minute scan, it is looking bearish. Yeah, hello Isaac. My target initially, my first target is the gap in 1 minute time frame. So this is my first target, but currently it is retracing. But let's see. And if it breaks, I'm just going to expect this level. But as of now, it is actually a good fall. So I have to be cautious now. It's better. I can either keep my stop loss to break even, or I can trail my stop loss to these levels. Let's see. And again, if it reverses, like I'll go for buys again. It was a $400, but now it's $100. Yeah. Okay, I just place my stop loss to break even. Let's see. I don't want to risk more. And again, if it reverses back, I'll go for buys again. So, what sessions do you guys usually trade? Like London or New York or Asian?
Me and me with a chat.
Yeah, do you?
I only trade New York session from 9:30 until mostly until 12. The New York AM session. I don't trade for long hours. I used to trade 8 hours a day, but now it's rarely I trade 8 hours. But mostly I do three 3 hours.
And
What
your
about
side?
you?
Me.
I trade the opening, which is the GC Open, 12 p.m. UK, and which is 12 a.m. UK. I sleep somewhere around 12 o'clock, and I wake up around 7 or 8 UK, so I might trade the London Open. If not, I might trade the NY session. So these are the slots which I generally. So very specific slots for me to get entries.
Yeah, like personally, like I used to trade Asia only on Mondays. I'll
Mm.
try to trade Asia because like I'll be getting gaps.
Yeah.
So other than that, like I trade London mostly, sometimes New York. Hello Shishir, hi. Either it will go straight to the break-even point or it will reverse. Let's see. Can sweep lower and then go higher. Yeah, I actually entered on this level and it went higher. But currently it is reversing. Again, it is now in a good support level, but let's wait and see. I think it is going to sweep the lows. Just struggling a lot. Oh, my trade actually closed. Is it due to slippage? Yeah, my trade is closed. That's fine. Did you guys take any trades today in chat box?
Hello.
Do we have any news today?
No news. There is, I think, CAD CPI or something. PPI.
Okay. Actually, it is tempting me to take one more entry now, but I'm just controlling myself. This is actually a good trade.
How do you mean?
Sorry.
You
Uh,
said you were contradicting yourself.
Not yet for me. I need it to come until 4790.
Rishi, I think you,
Sorry.
I want it to come until 4790. That would be the best spot for me to go long.
This level. You want the market to reach this low.
Yeah, approximately 479092.
Okay, okay, okay. What I thought is like let the market pump on the high side, like let me just book some partials up in this level. But what happened is like straight no and it hit my break even. That's fine. Things to happen. And have you checked the trading with prices? It is increased now.
Bro, I was about to get a renewal. I did not even see that it was expiring. Got expired yesterday night.
Okay.
It's costing $600 now, I think.
Yeah, they just revamped the prices.
Yeah.
I
If it again goes to this level, I feel sad for sure.
Nasdaq has been accumulating and also breaking higher highs as well. But if it at market open could do some sort of manipulation, I would look for longs.
Sorry, someone is asking a question in the chat box.
Uh, what strategy do you trade? I trade predominantly using price action. The other concept which I do is like using standard deviation. So I kind of mark my levels at the open or like at the close of the day, saying that, okay, this is the range which gold can move for the next day or Nasdaq can move for the next day. Based on the range, I find out the trend. So if the trend is aligning, I just wait for a proper entry and then just trade towards the levels, right? So that's the end target for the day or for the week.
The move is kind of boring to me. Guys, like if you have any question, just ask in the chat box. We'll try to answer. The market is not that good. Oh, Nasdaq is moving good. Okay. Again, I'm not going to plan buy entries in Nasdaq because already the move market went up huge from 31st April, sorry, 31st March. It's 17%. How much points it is? 3,000, yeah, almost 4,000 points. Again, buy entry is not good for me. Like I think I just wait for market to correct a bit. Then I'll plan my trades in Nasdaq. Even though the move was good, but as of now, I'm just going to wait for some kind of correction.
The Nasdaq is super big. It's driven higher. That's like we have 50 points. This is pre-market. Uh,
We will try to do some scalping in gold. I don't think that's a good one. Let's try some scalp.
There's nothing interesting for me.
Yeah.
Market's not excited today. I don't think there's much to talk about. I'll probably end it here due to the fact we don't have much of conferences to look for. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you everyone for being here today. Right, peace, Rashi, peace everyone.
Yeah.
See you next week.
Yeah, man.
Bye. Just trying to put this.
I'm just trying to do a scalp in gold, but it is not moving. The momentum is not at all good. Do you trade CFD in Nasdaq? Sai?
No.
What are the pairs that you mostly trade?
CFD, I generally trade gold, or else I might trade German 40,
Okay.
and USD JPY is something which I trade, and Bitcoin. These are the four major things.
Bitcoin. Or spreads in CFD, like for Bitcoin. Is it good?
It's okay, not too bad, but yeah, sometimes on the weekend it is bad when you do it on Saturday, Sunday.
Okay. So have you ever tried this? Like, let's say the market is completely bullish, and it
Mhm.
is buying like anything. Okay, and some point you'll see a very small correction, right? Maybe three or four candles, probably.
Mm.
Have you ever taken sell entries on those four
Yeah, a
candles?
lot of time. But I would need it to like sweep something and then reverse. For example, I told, right, so Asia sweep might happen and then start to reverse. So
Mm.
those are some of the entries which I might like kind of plan. Right. Rest are like okay.
No, like I'm not talking about the session highs and lows and all. Like just three or four
No,
candles, like kind of
no,
HFT.
I no that random no for sure.
Okay.
79 हाँ 80 तक तो लग रहा है भाई 79 तो पता नहीं है 80 मिडनाइट ओपन है ना वहाँ पे आई थिंक वहाँ तक तो आना चाहिए 91
I have
79
Hindi for sure.
hmm?
I know how to write and read. I learned during school days, but I don't know how to speak and all.
I can't I can write I can read as well but it is very slow. I can speak
Have you
very
completed exams? I've completed three exams. Still Rashtra Bhasha.
yeah I mean like I can technically read and write but uh, talking is much easier because
Yeah,
yeah.
that is my problem actually.
I mean you need to have friends who speak in
Yeah,
Hindi and
I know.
very difficult to find him.
I do have, but not that close.
Mm.
I don't see any good news. Can we end the stream, Sai?
Yeah, bro, we'll do that. I think pretty much done, right?
Yeah, yeah, it is actually consolidating for a lot. Okay, so we'll end the live stream. Thank you guys for joining. Hope we'll see another day. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
everyone.
Yeah. Bye bye.
See you, Rishi. Bye.